Hello everyone, you're welcome. This is Shyam Kumar. I'm from Jharkhand State. So in this video, I want to tell that we should focus on one goal. Whatever we have particular goal, so that goal we have to focus so we can reach on our destination soon. Suppose that I want to become a good speaker in English, so that's why I need to practice. Means there are many kinds of practice I have to do. That reading, listening, speaking, and writing. This through we can develop my English. So that's why I'm saying that if you want to be success in anything, so you have to move on that your goal, then you can get your destination. Anyone can get that destination if anybody focus on one particular any destination thing, so that person can get famous, get success on that thing. So we have to think about one particular goal, whatever we have. So nowadays I'm learning English because in these days my English is not so good because many days I did not practice a lot. So before time I used to practice a lot. When again I am consistent, I am regular, I am practicing every day. I'm thinking to make a 15 to 20 minutes video on my YouTube channel. Also it will help to new who is new in English language, so that through that person can improve also my whatever I have desired. Means I want to be perfect in English, I want to become a good speaker, I want to become a motivational speaker in English. I can increase my English level through practice. So I have decided that I have to speak 20 minutes every day. I have to make 20 minutes video on YouTube channel. So that's why I am busy. So nowadays I'm learning, I'm practicing English. Again I'm giving my more time to learn this language. Means every day I'm trying to give at least 5 to 6 hours in this language. So I hope that very soon I can get this in my level, whatever I have expectations, so I want to reach there. So in this video I will tell that we should focus on only particular one goal, so we can reach that goal in very soon. So suppose that if you want to become a good speaker of English, so you have to practice speaking, listening, writing, reading. If you do this kind of practice, so you can soon become a good speaker in English. Again I want to say that we have to practice every day. We do not think about the time because we have 24 hours, so anyhow we have to take out time for practicing, so that through we can improve, we can learn new skills in English. There are many things for spoken English. Means you can practice English, like you can do self talk, you have to speak any particular topic, whatever. There are many kinds of topic, maybe you around that topic, maybe that topic at your home. So take any particular thing and try to speak at least 20 line, 10 line. You speak each and every any particular thing, so that through you can improve English. So moreover I want to say that if you have completed tense, models, prepositions, and some part of grammar, that through you can easily speak, easily you can write. This is the base, this is the main chapter in English: tense, models, preposition, and some other grammars, some rules. Thereafter some special structure, that through you can make any kinds of sentence, you can speak any kinds of sentence in English. So this kind of practice we have to do. So also I have taken a decision, every day I will make a video at least 15 to 20 minutes. It will help to grow this language. So nowadays my more focus on to listen. Means I listen a lot, means 2 hours, 3 hours, someday 4 5 I listen. That through I am improving my English, because listening through I know how the people speak, how any things we have to speak, how can we discuss any topic. That through we find after listening. I listen also news, how the news speaker speak in very fluent way, and any situation how you speak. That through also I'm improving English. There are many things in life we have to do for learning. If we do many things, so that through we can improve English easy way. We have to just practice every day. If we practice, so we can learn very easy way. It is not big deal to learn this time English, because this is the era of internet era. Through we can, this time 5G we are using Wi-Fi, so this time is sufficient data. If you utilize that data on learning any skills, so we can learn this through this internet, through we can learn. So we have to try also in blogging. before time I used to make videos. It was taking long time because suddenly sentence was not coming in mind. I practiced a lot, means many times I spoke same line in many times because I was doing mistake while speaking time. Suddenly sentence was not coming, words are not coming according to situation, according to that topic not was coming. So I practice a lot. In this time I'm able to speak few lines better than before days because practice makes a man perfect. That through that line is really helps everyone, means practice through we can be perfect. We have to be continuously, we have to work one day definitely we can learn more and more things if we have in knowledge without no knowledge no anything in life. So we should increase every day new knowledges we have to gain. That this hour is very big, there are many kinds of knowledge we can learn. So we have to continue our journey of English learning. So whatever randomly in my mind is coming, so I'm trying to speak with you. Also it's my practicing time, I'm not telling any particular thing, but I have decided that I have to speak at least 15 to 20 minutes. If I'm able to speak 15 to 20 minutes, so that through new idea will come every day, I can share with you every day. So in this time I want to add that present situation means present tense. How can we use a present tense? Shows our daily activities, whatever we do. You can say that habitual things, whatever I do. I wake up early in the morning, then after I go to first room, means this show our present time. So just such like we have to practice. If I talk about past tense we have to speak our what has done, whatever has completed in past time, that thing we have to speak here, we have to deliver here in past time. Yesterday I woke up 5 o'clock, then after I went here there, means past tense through we can speak our first habit, and present tense through we can speak present habits, and future tense through whatever you have set goal in future you want to do, like I will go to market, I will buy something, means present tense through you can speak present whatever your set goal, what is your dream, means whatever you want to do in future. If you have targeted that future tense through you can speak whatever your mind comes you can speak. Now I want to tell that now just rain has started, so I am giving you live example how can you practicing it. Just I have come out on the terrace. This is my terrace scene. Also this time rain is raining. This time what? So this time I'm here on the terrace. I'm making vlogs. Such type of practice you can do. You can see a building there. That is big building comparison than my building. My building is only one floor, that building is two-story building. So here you can see lots of scene, you can see there fields there. This is the paddy plants you can see on that fields, and you can see there many towers, electricity tower, you can see electronic towers, electricity towers. There is there's one power plant. So this is the my scene of this my house. I will show something. Just I'm saying that also you can practice English. Just you have to keep continue your speaking. If you do this kinds of practice, so very soon you can become a good speaker. Anything, whatever you want to see, you have a dream, so you can do. Miss, I want to become a good speaker in English. That's why I'm speaking in front of the camera. You can see there lots of trees. Also you can see there was one road, that is road. There are, you can see vehicles are coming and going this road. This is not main road, but it is connected to main road. So in this time I'm going to ahead, I'm going to next, I am going to show some scene, and just I am practicing. You have to practice. This is the other scene. Also you can see my behind one, that there's a hill. Yeah, my around there are means two direction, there are two hills, means east side and north side. Now I'm going to further, so I'm going to show school buses. Now I will show you school buses. Now that school buses is now passing there, and I will show you there's one pond. You can see their pond, you can see dead trees, that is dead trees, and there are different kinds of trees. I don't know properly now, but I can speak anything on that situation, that things I can speak. So this is my terrace. Here is one room. You can see this room. Here I sometimes I come, I practice English speaking. Just I come and practice English. This is the lonely place, alone place. Here's no any person. Easily I can practice English here. So just I am making vlogs. Also I am very interested to make blogs. I like making blogs. Making blogs gives me lots of what energy means. I that through I improve more and more because I can find many objects. Easily I can speak. While sitting, I think, then I speak. But here I suddenly find many things for speaking. That's why I am able to speak. So my only desire is to I have to improve what my time speaking. So that's why I'm thinking to I will make vlogs, some content, solo content. While sitting, I want to make just few minutes after I will complete 15 to 20 minutes. So once again you can see this scene, very good beautiful scene of nature. So in nature we find different things. This time I am in standing mode. Here I am standing and I am speaking. So we can change our speaking style, means sitting, while walking, while standing, we can speak. Just we have to practice. If we do this kind of practice, so that we can learn new things, new ideas we will have and we will try. So we have to just try. So in this time, I have set my mobile on auto framing. Means if I go back, so my image will capture. So this time also I have set my camera on framing. Means my picture will catch that camera and I will move here there. So my focus, that camera focus will on my face. It will give good quality of picture. My camera, that mobile camera. So just like we have to practice whatever random comes in mind, we have to practice, we have to speak. So suddenly will come many kinds of idea in mind. So once again I want to repeat that if you have completed 10, so you will feel easy to speak anything. We have to just learn tense, models, voice, prepositions. This thing if we complete it, so easily we can speak. So moreover here I want to add that if you complete all grammar rules, so your English will be like advanced level. You can use different structures. So and further our goal should be if you reach in basic level, then after we have to try in more structure, more grammar, so we have to know. So that through we can do better in English. We can easily deliver anything in any situation. Then after we have to practice, reading is much necessary. So we try to read, because reading through we can gain new information, knowledges. That through we can improve more. Means if we have lots of knowledge, so we can speak lots of things. If you don't have knowledge, so how can I speak? Suppose I'm giving the example. We don't know any country. There are 200 countries, approximately maybe 200 countries. We don't know. I think that at least 30 to 50, yes, around I know country, but not more. Like 10 country know properly, but 30 I know, but I don't know their culture, anything. But if we visit there, if I read that country's culture, anything about that thing, so we can improve knowledge. That through we can speak more and more and anything. So just we have to practice different things every day. There are many kinds of knowledge. We have different kinds of subjects. We can improve. We can learn different information through book. There are many kinds of books like math, science, sociology, psychology, Hindi, English, Urdu. Many types of languages, many types of books are available. Many kinds of subjects are available. If we read anything, so we can learn new things through that books, through that topics. So that through we can improve, we can get our knowledge, we can improve our knowledge. There are many things in life. If we try, so we can learn and we can speak. So also I have taken a decision that I will learn new things, new skill for learning this language. Then after I want to motivate to student people upcoming time. So it will take time, time definitely it will take maybe few years it will take, but I want to do work on consistency my project. So I'm working here. If you are English learner, just you have to try to do new things in your learning. Take a chance, means you have to do. You have to give at least 20 minutes. You make 20 minutes video, 15 minutes video. So definitely you will find in your English different changing. Your English will be more and more better upcoming days. So again, I have taken a challenge that I have to make every day 15 to 20 minutes video. That through I can speak to you different things. I can tell you different things. So for today enough. So next time I will come. Next day definitely I will tell you new things whatever I have achieved through reading, through listening, any kinds of thing if I have. So definitely I will share. Please keep watching. You will learn. You will definitely you will find different things. So please keep watching. So bye.